Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in Lone Oak, Texas, where we're working on our bunker project. We're going to be doing a number of these in this subdivision, and this is the first one for the first home that's in this subdivision. And this is a unique basement with a bunker. Well, this bunker here on this end right here is going to be where we're going to put in a customized escape hatch. And the escape hatch, it will be all metal. That will be a metal tube that's going to connect to the wall, and that we have to brace before we pour, so it will be encased around in the concrete. And as you can see, we just got what we consider the metal flange installed, and right now what we're doing, we're bracing it for the pour. Now you can see that it's round, and the entire hatch is going to be round and tubular. That's going to come up, and it's going to connect to those holes that you can see. That's why it's called a flange, is because we're going to bolt that in, and it's going to come all the way over here to the edge where the end of the wood is, and then it's going to come straight up to this area, and then we're going to cover it around with soil where no one will know it's there, to be a hidden trap hatch. And it's the same as, you see the blue patch on the wall over there. That is going to be our doorway, and that is going to be our area for our entrance for our tunnel. And the tunnel will be attached to the house, and then we will have a custom metal door. Usually we don't show any of these because some of our homeowners don't want any of it seen, but since this entire project belongs to the Basement Kings, we are going to show you what you've been missing for a number of years. That metal door that we're installing right now is going to be poured in place. So we're going to raise it up and attach it, and then once it's there, we're going to pour it in place right along with these walls. And once we pour that, then we will put in a special pour directly over the doorway, and the encasement itself will be poured concrete. So this is a hardened bunker from beginning to end. So now that you've seen it, let's go get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.